Hello everyone, I hope everyone is safe in this pandemic. I am Piyush, co-founder and CEO of Jivam Health. It is a startup in the field of healthcare where we are trying to transform the way service is delivered in India. Major जो focus है हम लोगों का that is thyroid, diabetes, autoimmune kind of conditions. It's a startup just 12 months old with the engineers of around 15 right now. So Ravi sir से मेरी बात हुई कुछ टाइम पहले and she shared this idea where we can share our learnings with you all in the hope कि इससे कुछ ना कुछ आपको help मिले while you are pursuing your goals. So just for a brief introduction, I am Piyush. I come from a small town in Bihar, Petia, जहाँ पे मेरी 10th class तक की पढ़ाई हुई. After that, I went to Kota for the preparation of IIT. It took me 3 years to crack the exam, and fortunately I got into IIT Roorkee. I pursued electrical engineering there. It was one of the best experiences which I got so far. After college, it's been already like 6 years. After college, I joined a startup in the field of electric vehicles. I was leading the product there. Worked for 1.5 years, and then I started a startup in the field of construction industry where I went to US for that particular startup. We built a team of 20 engineers, got some good projects, but unfortunately it didn't work. Last year we had to shut that down. It was a very good experience at such an age. After that we started Jivam Health last year. Right now we are at a scale of where we have like 15 members team in the company. So one thing which really helped me throughout this journey is one of the most important thing which I keep trying to implement on daily basis and trying to ask questions around that. What is my interest? And this is one of the most fundamental thing which I found in my जर्नी सो फार कि अगर किसी चीज में अपने को बेस्ट बनना है तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आवर इंटरेस्ट. ऐसा आप देखोगे कि अगर किसी चीज में हमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि यू डोंट हैव योर हार्ट इनटू इट एंड इफ यू डोंट लव दैट पर्टिकुलर टास्क, दैट पर्टिकुलर स्किल, व्हाट विल हैपन, यू विल नॉट पुट योर बेस्ट टुवर्ड्स लर्निंग दैट पर्टिकुलर स्किल. एंड ऐसा सोचो कि आपको कोई चीज जैसे लाइफ लॉन्ग करनी है एंड उस चीज में आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ पढ़ना है, पढ़ाना है, कोई स्किल है, इंजीनियरिंग करना है, खेलना है, एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव इंटरेस्ट, हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू विल परस्यू दैट फॉर योर लाइफ लॉन्ग. तो ऐसा तो सोच के नहीं निकल सकते कि चलो 7 दिन की बात है. ऐसा कुछ भी अभी तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ जो 7 दिन के लिए होता है. पढ़ाई कभी खत्म नहीं होती, एक चीज खत्म होती है दूसरी चीज आती है. तो वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, you need to build the interest in that. How exactly you can find your interest? So it's a very interesting thing which I found which really worked for me. This is to stay curious and ask the right questions. Ask the right questions, ask the most fundamental questions, and the intention should be to learn and to get new experiences. तो करना क्या है कि, and this is something which you can build very easily. Whatever the things which is happening through in your surrounding, जो भी आप पढ़ रहे हो, जिससे बात करते हो, just try to become a little bit curious about why exactly the things is that way. Is it supposed to be? Why is it supposed to be? So you need to ask those fundamental questions फॉर द इंटेंशन कि आप उससे कुछ सीख सको. क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं बट आस्किंग द राइट क्वेश्चंस, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. देन क्यूरियस होना है आपको. यू नीड टू आस्क राइट क्वेश्चंस. अल्टीमेट गोल इज टू एक्सपेरिमेंट अ लॉट. व्हेन यू एक्सपेरिमेंट अ लॉट, you find your interest. When you find your interest, what will happen? That you will start investing your time in building that particular skill set. And who knows, one day you can become one of the best in that particular skill in the industry or in the world. The second most important thing which really helped me actually is uh, to be consistent, is to be consistent enough so that you can find those nuances of that particular segment or approach which you are trying to learn or the concept. जब तक आप उसमें एनफ कंसिस्टेंट नहीं होगे बहुत टाइम तक, तब तक आपको वो नुआंसेस नहीं पता चलेगी जिससे यू कैन बिल्ड दोज स्किल्स which can help you give the leverage to be or differentiate you to help you get differentiated enough from the generalist. So what happens is, how to become like consistent is to build, you need to build the focus in that then. And how to build the focus, it's again simple. हम लोग बचपन से जो चीज प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उस चीज में बेटर होते जाते हैं. हम लोग क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं आज के टाइम में? हम लोग टीवी देख रहे होते हैं, खाना खा रहे होते हैं, उसी टाइम पे बात कर रहे होते हैं, उसी टाइम पे कुछ पढ़ भी रहे होते हैं, फोन भी देख रहे होते हैं. तो हम लोग डिस्ट्रैक्शन को प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ ऑन डे टू डे बेसिस, एवरी मिनट एवरी सेकेंड्स. जब आप जो चीज प्रैक्टिस करते हो उस चीज में आप बेटर होते हो. तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. If we want to build focus, what we have to do, we have to practice focus. How to practice focus? जो काम कर रहे हो एक बार में एक चीज करनी होती है. That simple. If you are talking to someone, to your friend, आप बस उनसे बात करो उस टाइम पे. That's it. उस टाइम पे कुछ और चार चीज नहीं सोचनी होती. अगर आप सोच रहे हो, then again you are practicing distraction. If you want to build focus, it's very simple rule. Throughout the day, जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो, खाना खा रहे हो तो उस टाइम पे बस खाना खा रहे होगे आप. When you are practicing, when you are doing something or talking to someone else or playing or reading, तो उस टाइम पे बस वही करना है. Within like a month or so, you will start seeing कि now your concentration will improve towards certain thing. When you are sitting to study maybe, तो जब आप स्टडी कर रहे होगे तो क्योंकि आपका फोकस है, you will be persistent enough and you will have that enough consistency जिससे आपको वो नुआंसेस दिखने चालू हो जाएंगे, वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको समझना चालू हो जाएगा बहुत आसानी से. दैट्स द की थिंग. सो दीज आर द टू मेजर थिंग्स विच आई ट्राइड इन माई लाइफ, विच आई लर्नड एक्चुअली and implemented all these things throughout my journey. It is really helping me on daily basis. Today also, still I am trying to learn. So be curious enough to experiment new things, to learn new things. This will help you to find your interest. Once you find your interest, you can become like really like one of the best possible. You can pursue those skills and can become one of the best person in that particular field. And be consistent enough. For consistency, you can build the focus. I also shared one of the concept or tool that you can try to implement in your life. It will really help you. It really helped me actually, and it can help you also. So these are the two things only. And thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. I shared some of the ideas, some of the concepts of mine. Thanks a lot, Ravi sir, for giving me this opportunity. Hope to see you all soon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.